Hey guys, just want to say hello. Happy Monday morning to everybody. I know it's been a while, I haven't posted. I'm going through some things right now, trying to organize my life and be more efficient. And as soon as I come back on more regular, I'll give you guys more information, what's going on, how I did it, what I was up to, what I went through to get to this point. You know, little bullshit like that. Because it's all about the journey. But remember this, life is too short, time is unreplaceable, time is value.
Basically, live in the moment.
There it is. You guys have a good day. God bless, Godspeed, love one another. Bye-bye.